Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Albrecht, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, and Westborough, we have the 2023 Jeep Compass Limited. I'm just gonna check my battery. 38%. Oh, we'll make it work. This one, of course, is the Compass Limited. Redline Pearl Coat over black, 2.0 liter turbo 4. 8-speed auto, as tested price $37,585, with options just being the paint. Do like the contrast interior colors, good amount of storage space. Stay. Do want to take a look under that hood. Where do you put it? Here. Bingo. Oh, that's in there. There is not a lot of room. I mean, your turbo is right there. That's a very light hood, though. All right. Cool. Do have a little Easter egg here with a Jeep crawling up the windshield. Not driven a Compass before, especially not with the new interior. Stellantis is in the process of upgrading all the interiors on their cars, and obviously this one was due for it. Let's go ahead. 3 main modes: auto, snow, and sand/mud. We're gonna be in auto. I will say, for the weight of this car, that motor is perfect. There's no way I'm making this. Seriously? Come on, that is a long green light. On the highway, this thing is super comfortable. I could do a long drive in this, and I typically can't say that about smaller cars. And you look on the outside, you don't think that this will be comfortable, but it actually is. Especially with the new interior design, the dash isn't up high in your face, kind of like it is with the Renegade. Although I don't even know if they still make that thing. terms of passing power, it's got plenty. I mean, under 50 miles an hour, this thing feels plenty quick. I mean, it won't leave you to start doing this, but you know, you can tell it's made for around town driving. And again, I've been driving everything with 400 foot-pounds of torque or more, so that's kind of what I'm used to at this second. Now, you do get a Trailhawk version. I was tossed which one I wanted to drive. I was like, do I do limited? Do I do Trailhawk? I was like, I'll just do limited. Kind of takes it two different ways. Trailhawk's more off-road focus. This is more comfort and luxury. Even so, I think I'm not hurting for luxury features or anything like that. Okay, you do have heated seats and wheel. Okay, that's good. I mean, for the price point, that's really all I need. I keep forgetting how quick this turn comes up. Under braking. Turn in. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.